And we really don't know how it's going to turn out. We don't know what the score is going to be. We don't know who's going to win. We don't know whether LSU is going to win by 30 or they're going to lose. And trials are much the same way. Is that sort of a fair analogy?
Absolutely. When we come back, I'm going to tell you about the 13 Katrina cases that went to trial and how they came out. And it will perfectly illustrate what you just said.
Because one of the things that always surprised me is that when we used to pull the jury after a trial, I'd ask the jury, I'm writing a vote. Who's important to you? No, I'm writing a vote.
Trees will survive the winter storms. Trees that are neglected could end up on your house. So if you love your trees, please leave it to Schneider Tree Care. Call the experts at Schneider Tree Care today at 704-567-7755 or visit SchneiderTreeCare.com. Love for your trees. Please leave it to Schneider Tree Care. WBT Charlotte, WBT-FM Chester, WLNK-HD2 Charlotte. News Talk 1110, 99.3. WBT. News Talk 1110, 99.3. WBT.
One step closer. I'm Lisa Laterra, Fox News. The FDA. I'm Lisa Laterra. Earlier today on the sidelines of the UN General Assembly, President Biden announced the U.S. will take in the grain COVID shots to countries that don't have enough supply.
The United States is buying another 500 million doses of Pfizer to donate to low and middle-income countries around the world.
The president urged other countries to heed the effort. Democrats have been focused on consensus on women's health and key parts of his agenda.
Democrats have been shuttling to the White House as leaders in the country. The S&P 500 added 41.